Good morning. Today is 28th June 2020. This is about early morning, 6 o'clock. Our car are all parked here. Luckily my house is on top of a small hill, so we are quite lucky that the water cannot get into our house. You see all my brother's houses. They are submerged with flood. The water is overflowing from the Moyog River. It's quite swift. The water is fast flowing. You see, everywhere is water. And my sister-in-law, she's taking the chance to sweep the debris before the water subsides. Morning. And dirty the house. I'm going out to the main road. I'm trying to get out to go to the town, but there's one abandoned car in front of me. So our exit to the main road is blocked. Cannot get out. This is quite strong. The current is quite strong. Hello, good morning. This is Alex here, taking picture of a big flood in our place. The water flowing from the overflowing river Moyog is very swift. It's fast flowing. You see the speed of the water. You see the highlight. Very sorry. You see, it's very fast. It's quite deep. My friend in Penampang, Michael, raised up the emergency alert because his house was flooded in Babagan. In Penampang, but I cannot get out because I cannot get through the road from our house, because in front there is a double cab there, abandoned. Maybe it's the owner had abandoned the vehicles and it is blocking our way, our exit going to the main road. This is quite a nasty flood. Milky water. You see, I cannot get up to the main road because of this flood. But luckily, my house is on top of a small hill, so all our cars are parked there. But we cannot get out to the town to get some food. You can see here a lot of houseboat tin. brought by the flood. Okay. Luckily our house is on top of a small hill. So all jam up here, we cannot come out and to get some supplies from the grocery. This is 1 of June, the year 2020. What a disaster. This is a car blocking our way. This car. This is the exit of our road going to the main road, you see. You see how big is the flood. Oh, car submerged. Can you see the red car? It's a Morris Minor. See this road? See, it's quite nasty. So it's quite deep. The river overflowing from the Moyak River. It's swollen, quite big. See the current? It's quite fast. Because of the flood, a lot of damages have been done. People with damaged properties is at loss. The weather is still bad today at this moment. I think it's going to continue to rain until in the afternoon, and the water is rising. This is not good. Water. You can hear the sound of the water. And here, can you see the current? This dog is coming out from his shelter to watch the flood. He's wondering what is happening. The dog is wondering what is happening. We were surprised to see the water.